In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own recipe on MyFitnessPal. First and for all, select here the search for a food. Go on My Recipes. And then from here, you can just simply select here, create a recipe. Type the name of the recipe. For example, I'm going to type here 1 day. And on the servings, let's just say 3 servings in a day. And select the next on the top right corner. From there, just simply select the add ingredients to add ingredients to your recipe. For example, I'm going to choose here an egg. And then from there, select it. Select the check mark on the top right corner. And if you wanted to add more, just simply select the positive icon on the top right corner and select hit next. And then from there, you've already created your recipe. Hit the save button, and there you have it. That's how to create your own recipe on MyFitnessPal. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.